the secret to getting what you want every time. I've worked it out. I know how to do it. I'm going to share it with you. And it's so easy. All you have to do is never ever doubt what it is you want. Simplest explanation. This happened to me the other day. I was in a car accident. I wasn't hurt. I was told my car was a write-off. I refused to believe that. And I said to myself, no, it's not. Everything is fine. It was a hit and run as well. I refused to let it upset me, bother me, get stressed, worry about how I was going to get to my clients. I just put my full trust in God, in the universe. And I actually, after I reported it, I put my trainers on and I went for a walk. And I went to enjoy nature, breathe, to center myself, and be really grateful for the scenery, the surroundings, the nature, the beauty, earth, life, and said thank you for everything I had. It was a mixture of unwavering faith that everything would be fine and gratitude for what I have. I know that my attitude turned my situation around, and I said to myself, my car is absolutely fine, it will be repairable. And I had people ring me up saying, no, it won't, you know, prepare for it, it's probably going to be a write-off. And I thought, no, it won't, it'll be repairable. Your car, you won't get it back for at least a month or so, it could be this, it could be that. And I thought, no, it won't, it'll be fixed straight away, it won't take long, it'll be about a week max. Guys, all of these things happened to the point where I actually was given, because I didn't take this on my insurance, I was given a courtesy car free. Anything is possible. I want you to know this. It's all about this. You can just change a situation. Some people call it timeline shifting, quantum jumping. You can change a situation by how you react to it, how you respond to it, and the steps you take around it. And it's all about your energy. Remember, we all have an auric field around us. This is a field of energy and vibrations. When we have an auric field that's in a low vibration, it'd be very close to our bodies and quite tight and small. When we have a high vibrational frequency, we normally have bigger auras. I chose not to panic. I chose to stay in high vibration. I chose to give gratitude, and I chose to use the law of assumption and tell myself that everything was fine. And the trick is, and the key is, to truly believe. You have to truly believe what you're telling yourself. And the way to supercharge this is to use a mirror. And those of you that know me know I do loads of videos on mirror talk. It's the most powerful technique, in my opinion, when using the law of attraction, law of assumption. Because if you're having any difficulty believing what you're saying, looking in that mirror and making face-to-face contact with yourself, you are telling yourself. It's like somebody standing and looking at you in the eye and telling you what is going to happen. It's a little bit like being told off, but not being told off. You are making yourself, you're telling yourself the way it's going to play out and the way it's going to be, and that is bouncing back into you, and you're saying, right, okay, got it. So you're taking it in. That's how it works. It's that simple. Comment down below if you like this video and if you've had similar experiences, because I always like to know how you like to do things and what works for you. And I will talk to you soon.